So I was in 9th, 10th standard. These were the days when you used to get Hindi में porn or something like that. तो मेरे साथ एक बड़ा होशियार लड़का जो था, जो first आता तो मेरे साथ बैठा था. तो he saw me reading something like that. तो he said suddenly out of blue he said, सर जी ये गंदी किताबें पढ़ रहा है. तो सर जी said कौन सी? तू हट मैं लगूं.
Yeah, I said, I can't do it right now. He says, why? I said, I need time. So he says, what's happening? So I said, I'm going through cancer treatment. I've lost all my hair.
So he kept listening to me. He says, Mr. Kher, don't mind, but I think you need a psychiatrist. So I said, what do you mean by a psychiatrist? I'm a most optimistic person. My life coaching book is a bestseller. Why will I need? He said, I have a friend, Dr. Sawant. Go and meet him.
Super happy news for all of us. No, for you guys watching, not so much for all of us because they have to work. But we have legendary Anupam Kher finally. You know, Mahima, we tried to get him for we've been on for 7-8 years. We've tried every 2 months.
What
and
was
ek
happening?
do baar almost ho chuka, but some date issue last second and all.
This time I pulled him
I
here.
like you, so it was.
I
not
told
very
them
difficult.
I tried all that, yaar. मैंने बहुत ये किया, influence लगाया मैंने, but in the end, we didn't get him for whatever reason. Once it was my fault. Last minute I had to go somewhere.
Yes.
Where was that?
A toilet. no, I can't remember. Yaar, kuch hua and I had to go. So that I remember. They said, Anupam Kher is coming. You can't be bigger than Anupam Kher. It looks, that's not an argument. It's a difficult argument. And Mahima.
I pulled him here.
Thank
so
God.
credit me for it.
Thank God. He came 2 wins earlier.
Yeah. I was earlier than that.
I let his car go ahead of me.
Yeah. Sir, dekha,
That
legend.
big jahaj that he has.
I see a different Mahima right now, I think, in front of you. You have some.
We are old
list.
friends.
We are old friends, and when Mahima
Colleagues.
was a model, she
Yeah.
was a very famous model back in, I won't say when and all that, because she looks beautiful now.
Yes.
But we go back a long way.
Yeah.
We did an ad.
I suddenly feel like an outsider in there. Why don't you talk to each other?
Oh, sir, referee kar lo. We did an ad.
Yeah.
The product doesn't exist also. That ad did so well that they shut down. Kodak.
Yeah, Kodak, yeah. Kodak moment.
Kodak moment. See,
Yeah.
we remember.
Yeah, and the next day you were leaving for UK. Otherwise, things would be different.
You think?
Yeah.
Oh, damn. Did I ask you out?
You said I would have asked you out, but tomorrow I'm leaving. I'm going to do a course in, I don't know, something.
This is very arrogant here. Let me ask Anupam, is there any way for a young man to talk to
Not right now to sort of talk about that.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, it's too
And
late.
for him to be stupid enough to sort of say, I'm going next morning to London or something.
finally meet a really hot girl?
Yeah. मैं कल सुबह जा रहा हूँ.
This is Indian male, I tell you, what a shame. Not you, sir.
No, not at all.
All of
Okay,
us.
I'm happy to be here.
But we worked in a film together. I hope you remember Shawkins.
Of
The
course.
Shawkins.
Yeah, of
Name
course.
badal diya beech mein.
Yeah.
The Shawkins.
The Shawkins, yes.
And we won a flight to Mauritius together.
Yes.
We sat together for 5 hours. And he explained so much I didn't know. For example, in Kashmiri culture, I thought Pandits are vegetarians because of the name Pandit. He nearly smacked me.
Yeah.
He said, I asked him, sir, what do you eat? He said, anything that walks.
No, I didn't say that. But now I'm vegetarian.
Oh, good.
But that's by choice. I'm saying by culture, it's not.
Because I think because of the weather, na? Thand mein it's easy.
Oh, is that it?
They eat
Yeah,
a lot
yeah.
of
That's it.
that meat, mutton and all in a lot of oil.
The Pandits I'm talking about,
Yeah.
the hardcore.
Yeah.
They have a huge culture, but nobody knows the cuisine that well.
No.
I think the Vazwan cuisine is talked about already, but the Pandit cuisine, which is a little different.
It's differently made, yeah. Yeah, it's less hectic.
Huh.
Yeah.
So, इसमें भी criticism है.
No, criticism में hectic कम है.
But tasty.
The Kashmiri cuisine is the best cuisine in the world.
What are you saying? Have you
Of
had?
course.
Yeah.
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 Undoubtedly.
Some of their food is very simple, like
Parsi
gilki
can be
and
the
all.
next one.
Parsi sweet style पे
No,
जाते हैं.
I like my
Sweetish.
friend Baman's wife, Zenobia,
Zenobia,
makes some amazing food. Lovely food. फूड की बात मत करो, आजकल मैं डाइट कर रहा हूँ और मैं
Oh, veg भी बन गया.
हाँ,
Yeah.
सत्यानाश. आपने बात करते रहो आप.
Mahima is veg food.
My daughter loves Cyrus. He's the funniest podcaster in the world.
See?
And she watches all your shows. She knows what your house looks like.
Oh my God.
She knows
But
what your
these are
kids
real. What I see
Yeah.
here
Yeah.
must.
Sir, ये Kashmiri खाना, Marathi खाना, Parsi बोनो, everything.
Wow. How much time did it take you to do that?
1 second.
lot of
To build the booth. that
Sir,
you-
while you are becoming a legend at your job,
I'm not a legend.
and being celebrated worldwide, not in India, some jokers like us have hardly any work. Unless we go to the gym and lift weights. What else
That's
do we do?
amazing. That's very impressive.
Yeah.
Airtel
Very
is the sponsor
impressive.
of the.
You know, it's looking so different to what Cyrus was. I feel the
I
head
was
is
little
someone
heavier.
else's and the body is
I
someone
was
else's.
always training. I was just a little heavier. Tab.
बहुत अच्छा. I'm very impressed.
Yes. Thank you very much. This show's on me. Thank you for now. Ask more
No,
questions, yeah.
it's-
You were saying your daughter's a big fan. बताइए, बताइए.
Yeah.
Yeah, she knows Mikhail and
Wow, Maya.
Maya.
Yeah.
She
So
knows
much.
them.
She
Yeah,
follows the
she knows
Insta.
everything about you.
Oh my God, that's how old is she?
And she just said, like, what is your first one? I said, the first one we didn't do because of the rains.
Huh.
But we're going straight to Cyrus Brocha. I watch him all the time. Please tell him on camera that I'm a big fan. I was like, okay, we'll bring you up.
See?
Anupam's getting angry
और
with
क्या
me.
हाल है boss? क्या हो रहा है
The legendary Anupam Kher, one of the finest actors India has produced, and you're celebrating me. It's a little embarrassing.
बाकी मैं मिलता हूँ। क्या बताओ ना।
No, no, no.
नहीं,
No, signatures. I just saw the
Yes.
promo myself, and I called him and I told him. I said it looks so beautiful, and also it reminds you of his first film,
Most of the journalists had seen the
Saransh.
film.
Saransh, when he plays the 68-year-old man,
Yeah.
when he was in his 20s.
So everybody asked him, what was it like to play an old man then and to play an old man now?
Although he's still not that old.
He's not.
Huh.
Not why did you
What-
add
what-
that
I
part
mean,
of
because
it? No, what did you
मैं
mean by
रिवाइंड करके
that? old?
सोचा कि मैंने गलत बोला इसमें slightly. At that point, Saransh के time में you were young playing old.
Yeah.
Now you take it from here. Go ahead, Mahima.
No, he's still young, but how is it different? How is it different? They
True.
asked him. Because there is a slight glimpse of that, no? That struggle.
I think the
that-
righteousness of the person. No,
Huh.
that character was bald and he had a patch. Looks was completely different. I think whenever I do a righteous kind of a person, they compare it with Saransh. Whenever I do somebody intense scene, because the Saransh had legendary
Just,
scenes.
Social justice issue.
तो हाँ तो वो उसमें वो डाल देते हैं but otherwise it's a great character to portray, and also we shot for it just pandemic had just finished, so everybody knew hospitals, everybody had gone into
Oh, God.
that zone.
Yeah.
Oof.
Yeah. You said before the interview that you will not want to see this film. Why?
No. So, no. See, now this is Anupam bullying me.
No, I'm not.
No.
I'm genuinely wanting
No.
to say, because my wife said she won't be wanting to see this film.
So this is not a negative about the film ever.
No,
Not
I'm
at
telling
all,
you
not
that's
at
why
all.
my
I
wife
was a
said
little
These are all
chicken-hearted.
genres.
I'm a little chicken-hearted when it comes to ये जो जैसे genre of pictures, because one, there are some personal stories in your life or around you
Yeah.
which are
Exactly.
reflected in that, and then you don't want to relive that. So I'm one of those guys who, I like the picture where, at the end everybody's happy. And
Have you encountered something like this? What happened in the film?
I had
Hospital.
we had in MTV. I won't take names. There was a gentleman working for us. He went in on a Friday. He was in the makeup department. He went up in the Friday and passed away in 3 days in Nair Hospital because उसके पास पैसा नहीं था. Nobody knew. We didn't know about. Of course, we felt guilty and all that. पैसा नहीं था, connections नहीं था, influence नहीं थे, कुछ नहीं. And none of us growing up in, let's say, urban India had any idea about how hard it's going to be if you land up in a hospital in India. So that was.
Have you ever been in a situation where you have to take the decision of somebody's ventilator going up or not down? That's the film about.
That, I mean, would be too much. Yeah. Firstly, who would give me that decision to make? I mean, really.
But if you are in a situation like that, what
I
would you
don't
do?
know. That's too much. How can you do that? Exactly. That's the premise of the film.
Exactly.
In a way.
Yeah.
Yeah. So.
And that's why the identification is huge.
Huh.
To be very honest, when the trailer came, I said, "Chalo, theek hai." But the response to the trailer is phenomenal. In terms of
It's very engaging.
Huh.
It's just a question of once you get caught in it, you won't be able to stop.
Yeah.
So I'm just worried that at the end I should not be feeling sad. Sir, because मैं घर जाके मैं anyway sad
I
होगा.
don't know. Yesterday, the director said something. He says it's a very personal. When people asked him about the film releasing in a theater, vis-a-vis on OTT, and he said it's a very personal film. It's something you can watch by yourself and maybe watch it in, read it like a book. Put it down, maybe pick it up after 2-3 days, take it forward,
No,
and
but
then
you know-
finish it over time. So yeah, if you find it a little hard, it's not that hard.
I wouldn't
actually.
stop in the middle. Once I start, I'll
Yeah.
go through the whole film.
No, it's a very
Do you
soft.
think Aisha, your wife, will see this film?
She will see it for sure. She's a big fan.
It's a
She'll
soft
see it for
film.
sure.
It's a soft film. It's not.
It's a human story. So that my
Yeah.
wife loves all that. Yeah.
Yeah.
I've told her so many times those French
His
films.
wife had done a photo shoot with
Yeah,
me.
she was in Omjay Jagdish. She was the
Yeah,
photographer.
She was the photographer. So we
Yeah.
have
I think he may have shot Anupam for sure many times.
yeah.
Yeah.
But he won't remember.
No, Om J. Jagdish film was entirely shot.
I was supposed to be in Om Jai
Yeah.
Jagdish.
And then they threw you out.
No, my dog was passing away. It was a very sad story. I had the
Oh.
date. It was only 2 day shooting somewhere outside Bombay.
Yeah.
Lonavala ya kuch. I was very excited.
Right.
And
Then they
Saukar-
got the other side.
We had to send him
Oh.
because it was a horrible. That's another tragedy. Yeah. So yeah.
So
Just timing.
I was stuck with the Cyrus name though.
Yeah, you stuck with Cyrus' name, and he went, and he was so happy
Yeah.
at that point. Yeah, because it happened last minute. The whole thing.
Yeah.
What's your favorite film?
Ever? Oh, that's a damn sir. ये कहाँ से आ गया? It's like who's your favorite cricketer? It takes time.
Yeah,
Not
okay,
easy.
a couple of.
Hindi film would be Amar Akbar Anthony.
Oh, wow.
Okay, even my mind is.
I
but
love Amar Akbar
otherwise,
Anthony. Modern film इतना तो नहीं है.
नहीं,
अभी फिलहाल you
पहले
saw
की-
something
नहीं,
and you
अभी नहीं,
liked.
अभी नहीं,
अच्छा, नहीं,
पहले की.
पहले की.
Then I like a old film called Cool Hand Luke, Paul Newman. Have you seen it? He's a human being broken in a prison. He's the coolest guy, Cool Hand Luke, and how his spirit is broken. Those are the films I get scared to watch, but I didn't know when I was watching it that ये ऐसा होगा.
Yeah.
So then you get trapped.
Mine is Godfather.
Wow.
Love Godfather.
I can watch it anytime.
Yeah.
Godfather 1 and 2, but
Yeah,
3
one
इतना
and
तो नहीं.
third का तो पता ही नहीं.
And Goodfellas, वो genre मुझे बहुत पसंद है.
Yeah.
Do one of those now next.
I want to. I want to.
Gangster. I love
Yeah.
gangsters. It's fantastic.
When are you serious in life?
Orgasm. Sorry, young Mahima Jr. What's your daughter's name?
Ariana.
Perhaps the wrong time to ask. Let's skip a beat.
Why are you serious at that time?
Because I'm
It should
alone.
be ecstatic.
I'm alone now. I thought Anupam would figure that out. Yeah, was point to 100% alone. Don't laugh, Abesa. You have had 3 marriages. You don't show your face here. This is our DOP.
I know.
He's only 27. Look at his hair.
Yeah, I know. Why do you have to talk about hair? Why do you have to talk about hair?
I know.
Yeah, means
Yeah.
arrogant.
It's a very sticky
You are
subject with both of us.
He's amongst the first people to make non-hair to be bald cool, I think.
Yeah,
You
and
better
then he
think
made me
before-
do it.
Yeah,
Yeah, he's the one, go hairless. It's much better.
yeah. She
Yeah.
was not when I called up to do the film.
I refused.
Tell him that story.
Yeah, I said, I can't do it right now. He says, why? I said, I need time. So he says, what's happening? So I said, I'm going through cancer treatment. I've lost all my hair.
One sec. This is now art or life?
No, this is
Life.
real.
Life. Huh.
So when he called me for the film, so he says, there's
He was in the hospital.
there's a best friend that I run into, and she helps me face my fears, and I get a hold of myself in the film. So I want you to be that friend. And he started narrating the story, and I'm in the hospital taking my treatment. It takes a long time to take your
This
chemo.
is your real life you're talking about.
Real
right? Let me
life.
just totally
Yeah, yeah.
understand.
Real life,
You're
yeah.
getting real cancer treatment done.
Yeah, and I
So
met
you
him.
have no idea that she was.
No, I knew, but
Because
I
I
don't know
met
whether we
him
can talk
10
about
days.
it or not. I was
No, I met him 10 days back, and I was wearing my wig and a cap at the airport. So he didn't imagine. I used to travel
Oh.
in between my chemos to do events and.
Oh, fantastic. Huh.
So he just called me and he says, there's a nice film I'm doing. It's like this, and I have to run into this friend, and I want you to play that friend. They've had very, like they've worked together. After many years, I've run into her, so I want you to. And he's keeping on narrating, and I'm like, oh, okay, why is there so much noise? He screams because it's a hospital. No, and the nurse is running, whatever. So I said, no, I'm in a hospital. What happened to you?
Wow.
I said, no, actually, don't say it's your mother or your father because I know it's you. So I couldn't lie. So I said, yeah, I'm going through some treatment. I'll talk to you when I get home. So I told him. I said, I'm not in a good shape because cancer treatment is one. It's not like, where your treatment doesn't show. It's very apparent. You lose all your hair, your eyebrows, your lashes, and all this gets swollen, and you just look different. Your look completely changes. And he says, so what? We'll just still do it. And I said, no, I don't even have hair. And he says, I don't either. I've done 525 films, 24 films. This is my 525th. Do it. And that's how I got on.
Wow.
And it's one of our most amazing roles, memorable roles, because we incorporated certain things.
Yeah, and it was
uh,
identifiable at that time. We had just gone through COVID, and all the scenes that were written were just so as if it's happening.
Reliving it.
Yeah.
So just your character, just to
And
understand it?
even one of the characters I'm sorry, not characters. One of the person I saw in the ICU when my mother was admitted, the guy was saying, the doctor was saying that we've done everything, and there are these very difficult procedures, but do you want to go with it? It's not going to help. And he's like, just do whatever you have to do, doctor. Just just do it. Just do whatever you have to do. I'm not ready to let her go. I'm just
His
not
wife
ready.
was in the hospital.
You know, I've seen all of that. So when I saw it in the script, I was like, this is written so well. It's just right out of life, you know? And yeah, there are people like you who don't want to see it, who don't
No.
want to face it.
What's it-
Yeah,
what-
no, I understand that completely. Like, even me, to watch it again, I start thinking about all those things that, you know, my parents have gone through and the losses that I've had. So, but it's also something that the film talks about, is this is part of life, and how you react to it, how you take it is most important, which is the thing he learns from my character in the film. That everybody has a mask. You think it's all hunky-dory for everyone. They're dealing with more tragedies than you're dealing if you just get talking, which is what he decides to do after that. That I'm going to get a hold of myself, because
Now he will watch the film.
now you'll watch the film. That we have to, like yesterday you used a word that when you see courage in someone else, it just straightens your spine.
Yeah.
You know, it might just straighten somebody's spine, your courage. So it's nice to know what the other people are going
Perspective
through.
also.
Yeah, so it's nice to share as well.
Yeah, it's like me discovering that I'm in depression. I had written this book, my first book, and I'm a Hindi-speaking guy. I think in Hindi, but I wrote a book in English, which became a bestseller. So, but I couldn't. I had a problem with sleeping. I had major insomnia, and I went to my eye doctor, Ryan, and I said, Ryan, give me something to put in my eyes, because I go to these shootings and because I don't sleep the whole night, this thing bothers me. The lights bother me. So he kept listening to me. He says, Mr. Kher, don't mind, but I think you need a psychiatrist. So I thought, and he's not the kind of person who jokes. So I said, what do you mean by a psychiatrist? I'm a most optimistic person. My life coaching book is a bestseller. Why will I need? He said, I have a friend, Dr. Sawant. Go and meet him. Maybe you can sort of, if you don't want to go to a psychiatrist clinic, go and he can come to your house. I said, I have no problems. I will go. So next day I went to meet Dr. Sawant. The clinic was like this. In the middle was this foyer or this lobby where there was an ENT doctor, there was an eye doctor, there was a dentist, and there was a psychiatrist. So everybody was taking pictures with me and they were saying, where are you going? Because I was not visibly looking unwell. So I said, cuckoo doctor. So I had taken my book with me and I went inside and I said, Dr. Sawant, this is, tell me your problem.
He didn't treat you like a star and all.
No, he knew that. He made me wait, so I understand it. They have doctors.
He made you
there.
wait?
Yeah, that's okay.
I'll come to that. All the issues we have in hospitals. Making you wait is a horrible thing. Huh?
No. I understand that I was dealing with a cuckoo doctor. I call him my cuckoo doctor. So I went there and I said, doctor, tell me your problems with arrogance. So he actually started telling me that my wife is an anesthetist and things like that. Something he told me and this. So
You ask about problems, immediately start saying his wife is an anesthetist.
something he said, I don't know whether this is the answer, but
She puts
something.
him to sleep.
Yeah. She puts him to sleep all
And
night.
for the next 1 hour, I solved all his problems.
Oh, superb.
No, listen to that. And then I said, this is my phone number, this is my book, please read it. Any other problem, please call me up. I am just a phone call away. Okay, bye. And I was going, he started writing something on his pad. I said, what are you writing? He said, your medication.
Oh, he put you on medication.
But can I ask?
He was diagnosing
Yeah,
it.
yeah.
No, but why were you depressed? I didn't understand that part. When writing the book, why were you depressed?
Because he said your optimism is your problem. You push everything
Over
back.
optimism.
Yeah.
Achha, you hide, you repress
push,
the.
you push
Ah,
everything.
so then I'm closer to his.
Then I was in
Yeah, so you
psychology.
need to watch the film.
Yeah,
Don't
then I was
push
on
it behind.
medication for 3 months, and then I said, no, I have to fight it. So what I'm trying to say that sometimes it's important for people who are known by because they've worked in movies and people know them to talk about these issues.
Yeah.
That ठीक है यार, it's okay. मैं तो अपने आप को सोच रहा था कि मुझे नींद नहीं आती है.
No, but ये जो subject है, I think every single family, rich or poor, will have to deal with something similar to it at some point.
Absolutely.
No?
Absolutely. My mother was in the hospital and we had gone for a normal checkup of hers for her. This was during COVID. So she got her MRI and bola, doctor, MRI is fine, but she is COVID positive. And suddenly they pushed me from this pathology. What is the pathology lab? They pushed us both out and they said, your
Isolate.
brother- isolated. Immediately. My mother is standing there and I'm standing here and my brother is here. They said, brother, आप आइए. He was also COVID positive.
Oh my God.
तो आप भी इधर खड़े हो जाइए. Suddenly the whole scenario became different. Now I am the last person and I was COVID negative. I suddenly felt guilty that we were all living together. How am I not this thing? And then they said mom has to go to the hospital straight. So she had just come for a checkup. And we had to take her to the hospital to Kokilaben. And my mother is looking at me like this, that you are Anupam Kher and why is this happening to me? And I was so completely helpless. And I let her go. So it has happened to all of us. It has happened
And
to all.
isolation was really scary
Oh
at
my
that
God.
time. A lot
Yeah.
of people didn't
Fear-
tell that they had
fear of
COVID because they
isolation
thought
was- yeah.
कि BMC ward में उठा के ले जाएंगे. Like one of my contractors, he didn't
Yeah.
tell anybody till the end.
I lied all the time.
Yeah.
Yeah, I must have had 8 COVIDs. But since I never got fever, I said, I'm not telling anyone.
Yeah, you thought you'll be taken away.
Yeah,
and
I don't want to. No, who'll walk my
isolated.
dogs? First problem.
How
We
many
had
dogs do you have?
2 dogs.
Ah.
The wife is also quite aggressive. Alag baat hai. Let's get back to our film. I've been told by my producer to mention the name signature, which we have not mentioned. Have we mentioned? Because that's a crux of the issue also in a way. Without giving away the story, let's not give away the story.
No, but please talk about the signature.
The signature. Because this is the whole. Because this is another side that was not there in India before. This what is the thing? The right to not. What is that phrase that you all are using in the promo also? Right to not resuscitate or.
Oh yeah, I find it DNR. Yeah.
So what is that about? That's another. You tell me this in the beginning. What will you do? But it's a horrible situation to
It's
be
a
in.
horrible situation because
No, but it's for everything. You may be unconscious, but they'll ask the family, should we do this procedure? The patient is unable to eat, so can we give them a food pipe here? So it's your decision.
But life-saving support is a
Yeah.
ventilator is a completely
Ventilator
different thing.
also.
You're
You
in
have
a
to say,
coma.
I allow
Yeah,
her.
but how do you know for sure they will not come back? I mean,
Yeah.
that's the damn.
That's the thing.
That is the
Ah.
I believe and I think that it's a worse situation than Hamlet's to be or not to be. Because he says that what are the chances of survival? The doctor says there are always chances. Then how
Yes.
can I sign this paper?
Right.
And that's how. And whatever money that he has earned, slowly. And the son has also a practical point of view. He says, how much money can we spend on this? I don't.
But
have
that is another big issue with India, not India, actually worldwide.
Yeah.
This whole
Yeah.
health issues
Yeah.
that after a point you're just bleeding, literally
Yeah.
bleeding both ways, dono sides se.
Yeah.
So I don't want to bring that up too much, but my dad was also ill for a long time,
Yeah.
going to hospitals. Another bill,
Yeah.
everything. A test karo, wo test,
Right.
dobara test karo. I mean,
Yeah.
18 tests ke baad they still don't have. They're just doing tests.
Yeah.
And mostly they don't find anything.
Yeah.
Sometimes I wonder if they're just playing with you.
But I think what is nice about the film is that they don't make anybody a villain into the situation. It's the easiest thing in a situation like this is to make a hospital a villain. There is a character of Ranveer Shori who sort of...
But sorry.
No, there's a character of Ranveer
Yeah.
Shori who finally breaks down and sort of says, why the hell are you asking me for everything? ये लाओ, 5 gloves हुई हैं, ये सुई दूसरी लानी है, दूसरा करना है, कितना पैसा दोगे आप मेरे को? His son is admitted in the hospital. But it's tough. I think it's difficult.
But healthcare generally, now that we brought it up, let's just discuss it as we are running the country or running the world. There's got to be a little bit more, easier access to the healthcare for people because beyond a point, the film also looks at that. He's running around for money.
I would like to sort of say that, not because I'm this person who loves my country. Of course, I am that person. But have you ever been, by any chance, dealt with health problem abroad?
Even worse. In some countries, there's no chance.
Horrifying. Horrifying. At least over here, you get an Indian smile back at you, or somebody sympathy. Somebody said, "Don't worry, theek ho jayenge." Over there, if you fall sick and you have to go to the hospital, it's the worst situation that can happen to you.
And you worked in a hospital show.
Yeah, New Amsterdam.
New Amsterdam.
And then I got to know more about it. It's terrible over here. Over here, even if you are not a celebrity, there's somebody or the else looking at you and sort of
Koi
saying,
connection hoga.
कोई
There's
connection,
always
कोई
some.
ठीक हो जाएगा. Even the doctors are sort of say, आप ठीक हो जाएंगे.
Yeah.
Don't worry. कुछ नहीं फिक्र मत.
I don't know any doctors, but I have lots of friends who are vets. So worst case scenario,
You can go to the
treatment is similar in most
When I
cases.
was going through my treatment, it's a funny thing since it's your show.
Let's be insensitive then.
The doctor who's treating you, you can't always say, Doctor, aaj ye ho raha hai. This is the side effect. What do I do? So there was another doctor in another country, Indian doctor, through friends and friends and friends, and he was like very patient, and he's just like, yes. I said, Doctor, I have too much nausea and I have too much this. What should I do? No, and my hands get stuck like this. You know, like when I'm putting anything, they just get stuck like this, and I have to open it like this. Will I be like this for life? And be like, no, these are side effects. They'll go. So for these things, I used to call him. So I used to message him sometimes because it's another country and. You know this. You have this. जो अपना आप text चला जाता है. So
yeah.
this is after my 6th chemo. I'm reading some of the message and I say, hi, Dick. Then I scroll through all the messages. All my messages for the last 4 months have been, hi, Dick, I know you're busy.
But DIC.
He has patiently replied, I was thinking, what is wrong with this woman? Dick. So instead of Doc, it just went as
lovely.
Dick. All my
Lovely.
messages
Yeah.
and it's like, Dick, I know you're busy, but Dick. I called him till he answered and I said, Doctor, I've been calling you a dick for 3 months. He says, no, I understood it was a typo.
Yeah.
I said, thank God.
Yeah, I mean, really.
Wow. This is.
Well, Larry
God.
David का भी है ना, Curb Your Enthusiasm, comedian, the Seinfeld partner, comedian. So his wife's aunt dies, and because they're all crying and are upset, they send his character to go and do the thing in the papers, put the thing in the papers because he's the only one, no blood related, to come emotions. So he goes, he comes back in the morning to meet everyone, saying, "Did you see it? Was it okay?" You know, and they're all crying more. He said, "What happened? What happened?" Nobody's talking. And finally, somebody shows it to him, and there's to my beloved CUNT. Typo. He's like, it's a typo. It's supposed to be aunt.
Oh, God.
These are true. I mean, these have to be true. These stories.
yeah,
No, I can't make them up.
टाइपो तो बहुत खतरनाक होते हैं.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Anyway, let's get back to Signature before we have to take a quick break in a couple of minutes. So let's get back to the money issue. From the trailer also we can see he's running pillar to post, etc. So
So I think in an Indian middle class. Sorry, I did not let you finish the question.
नहीं, because you've understood it.
हाँ.
जो होशियार लड़का है क्लास में, they immediately put their hand up, no?
मैं क्लास में कभी होशियार नहीं था.
नहीं था?
नहीं, बिल्कुल
क्या बात
नहीं
है?
था. हाँ.
Second
You were
last.
backbencher?
Second last.
मैं
Second last bencher.
since it's your show, I can say that.
बोलो.
नहीं, मैं ये
Please,
बात.
please, नहीं. Say now something to Cyrus uncle. Come on. Say now, please.
So I was in 9th, 10th standard. These were the days when you used to get हिंदी में porn or something like that. तो मेरे साथ एक बड़ा होशियार लड़का जो था, जो first आता तो मेरे साथ बैठा था. तो he saw me reading something like that. तो he said, suddenly out of blue, he said, सर जी ये गंदी किताबें पढ़ रहा है. तो सर जी said, कौन सी? तू हट मैं लगूं.
Oh my God.
And Sarji took that book away and never has till today not returned that book.
Obvious reasons.
Sarji kept the book.
So I was telling that middle class families, I think they have this. My father used to keep saying provident fund आएगा तो gratuity आएगी तो फिर हम ये करेंगे फिर हम घूमने जाएंगे. वो एक मेन सोर्स ऑफ इनकम होता है. या लगता है कि अब जो जायदाद में ये जायदाद है, बंगला नहीं है, गाड़ी नहीं है, बट जो आएगा. I think this couple, Arvind, my name is in the film, and Madhu, my wife's name, they have been wanting to go to Europe. They bought a house.
That was the
outside.
ultimate plan.
Ultimate. And this happens at the airport. The whole family has come and she falls down and she has this brain hemorrhage. And then that money starts getting sucked into the treatment. So सारा जो जिंदगी भर की 34-35 साल की कमाई है वो इसमें चली जाती है. मकान बिकना शुरू.
This is heartbreaking for me, all these stories.
तो
That's where मैं डरता है.
but
और मेरे जैसे लोग हैं.
But
Not to say don't watch, please watch. हाँ.
But heartbreaking stories.
Well,
you see,
because nobody faces. You said, sir, yourself that you did not want to face.
no, Kiran, this morning said to me,
Dr.
she said,
Sawant,
I am not going to see this film.
देखा?
But then she is herself a sufferer.
But then on the other hand,
Survivor.
Mahima also.
But yeah, but Mahima is brave, I think. Mahima
But you think it's
Mahima is
therapeutic
smart.
facing it and doing this whole thing again, like reliving not only your own thing but people around you? You said
It's
I
not
noticed this.
therapeutic, but it's very identifiable. That's all.
But you didn't feel like I don't want to
no.
But
do this again.
it
and
did change. It did make a. When we, you can tell him about that video that I made of you and your father did not know that you had
Yeah,
cancer.
I hadn't told
What?
my
Yeah,
no. Yeah, I had a
How is it?
situation in my home where my mother was Parkinson's patient, so it's a degenerative disease
I
where
know.
your muscles
Huh.
get weaker and weaker.
Muhammad Ali.
Yeah, and just before the lockdown hit, she had a little chest infection. It was not COVID, before COVID. So the doctor said, get her home and create an ICU there. Don't keep her here because I think the COVID virus is just about to enter. We may have to get COVID patients in. So I created an ICU in the house with nurses and everything. And then my dad had a little bit of a heart, like your heart gets weaker kind
Yeah.
of thing. So one night
Tachycardia.
he got admitted.
But not a heart attack.
No, not a heart attack. Irregular heartbeat. So he's into exercise and service guy and also. So when I got detected with breast cancer, I
You got
was
scared to tell him.
No, I was
Oh.
like, why tell them? So the rest of the people knew, my Masi and my sister and everyone, and the nurses knew. But I like, don't tell my mom and don't tell him. They'll get admitted. Who am I going to look after myself for them?
How can you hide such a big
Yeah.
piece of information?
So, and my dad is like this. He just shaves his thing. So when I had to get rid of my hair, I said, Papa, it's lockdown. I'm losing a lot of hair. You want to buzz my hair too? So he's like, I'll do it. I've got a new one from Amazon. That one works really well. And he came and buzzed.
Really?
Yeah.
Or if it's a film in itself.
Yeah.
And then after 2-3 days, he's telling my nurse, he's telling, Teresa, come here. मैं इतना बुढ़ा हूँ मैंने 3 दिन से दाढ़ी नहीं बढ़ाई मेरी दाढ़ी बढ़ गई इसके बाल क्यों नहीं बढ़ रहे
Oh.
Oh.
हाँ
Okay.
So then I also got stumped. I didn't think my dad was into this.
Huh.
He's, nosy.
Yeah.
So I said, nahi, they said at least 3 times I need to do. So yesterday I buzzed it again. Acha, aisa. So he did get curious there and I didn't expect my dad to be like that because my dad is not so nosy. And he didn't know about it. So when he called me to do the film, I came, I did the film, and we were doing a photo shoot, and he started video. He videos everywhere.
Yeah.
So he started videoing and da. And we were thinking that when the film is coming out, probably we'll tell people.
Yeah.
And he says it's so nice.
I document life.
Huh. Diary. The modern
Yeah,
diary.
it's a
Modern diary is a video.
yeah.
Huh.
And
He showed it to my sister and he says, see, from the light and the dark, I came up and then I revealed her and all. It's so nice. And I did this interview thing and she also answered, it's come out really well. I'm going to upload it. He says, it's nice. I said, very nice. I'm uploading it. Okay. Now, Mr. Khair is like, watched everywhere. And he suddenly went viral and my dad got a notification while we were there sitting in the room still packing up and he started watching the interview. My daughter
Yeah.
called me to say that he's watching you talk about your cancer journey. I was like, how? Mr. Khair is talking in the background. I'm like, oh God.
Because I feel that sometimes when you confront a situation headlong, it sort of takes away the fear. And she was really looking very radiant. There was a Lucknow sun morning coming from here cinematically, and she started with a little joy, talking about laughing, and then in the same frame, she started crying.
Wow.
She was very moved by this whole thing, and she felt she had not maybe let it out for a long time. So when I put it across, also Kiran was detected with cancer few years back before that, and I could see traces of that. So I thought it will empower people who are suffering with some sort of cancer. But the story was different. That father was suddenly discovering through a viral video
Yeah.
of his own daughter.
So dad का reaction क्या था?
No, so then I called him and I said, Papa, I'm fine. He's saying, I saw it till the end. You say that you're fine now and you're recovered. And Anupam ने भी बोला कि हाँ ये बिल्कुल ठीक है तो वो clear हो गया उसमें. I know you're fine. So it was like that.
But he didn't bring it up. Ki, why didn't you tell me and all that?
No. No, he didn't.
I can bring it up now. Wow. That's an amazing story again that you decided not to include your parents because you're more worried about them in spite of what you're going through at the same point.
Yeah.
So sometimes actors, I think, they had to go through a situation twice or thrice. She incorporated that. Her performance is brilliant in the film.
How sweet. Thank
Brilliant.
you.
And I told you yesterday also. Brilliant. Very moving. In that scene, if I'm good, it's because of her.
How sweet.
And so she brought that emotional memory into performing. She's like this only. She's bright and she was talking about, but you can see the sadness somewhere, and then at a certain point something happens which is a cinematic moment in the film. Most cinematic, amazing film.
We'll have to watch it. There's no question. The Signature has to be watched, compulsory for everyone.
4th of October.
4th of October, face your fears. If you're
On Z5.
lallu like me,
Yeah.
just face it. Parallels to hai life mein, hoga. There's no
Yeah.
way out of all that.
Yeah.
But let's just...
Yeah, actually, that's what the film is.
Yeah, you
That
take
this
it
life
on
goes
headlong
on.
like
Yeah.
Anupam said.
Yeah.
You just have to face it.
When I said it yesterday also, when I was suddenly discovered one day my face was twisted. I was shooting for a film called Hum Aapke Hain Kaun, and I went to Yash ji and I said, Yash ji, kal raat se mera chehra left mein kuch zyada hi shift ho raha hai. So I went to Dr. Singhal in hospital, Bombay hospital. He said, you have facial paralysis. And that was the first day of the 20-day schedule of Hum Aapke Hain Kaun. And he said, 2 months you can't go anywhere. Just take chutti and stay at home and take these steroids, take these life-saving drugs and things like that. And I sat in the car and I asked my Dattu, my man Friday, I said, give me a water. And I suddenly felt he was so sensitive, he put a straw into it.
Sorry, I'm laughing, but yeah.
So that I don't drink like that. And then I thought from Bombay hospital to Juhu, and I said, if I today go back home and stay at home for 2 months, I will deal with my life all my life like that only. So I landed up at the shooting with Suraj Barjatya, Salman, and
वैसे ही?
Madhuri. वैसे ही. So they thought this is my new
I don't
interpretation.
remember your face being distorted.
Yeah, it was. I used to put I said, if you're feeling bad for me, try and kiss me. I had a board kind of it. If you see that film today, that
Sir,
particular
90%
sequence,
males ही है set पे.
हैं?
Set पे males ही.
नहीं, क्या बात कर रहे हो आपने? बिल्कुल नहीं थे, काफी लोग थे.
Rima Lagoon.
Huh?
Rima Lagoon.
भाई माधुरी थी, रेणुका थी, सब लोग थे.
Sir remembers. Parkinson's or Alzheimer's, everything comes back.
Yeah. So sometimes when I said, so I was not only preaching, I was practicing it also. I'm trying to say that was a good line.
Yeah.
Huh?
Okay, we need to take a break. We've gone
अभी
way.
खत्म नहीं हुआ?
नहीं, खत्म नहीं हुआ. अभी second part. The life and times of Anupam and Mahima.
Hey, it's been another great week on the IVM Podcasts Network. On Paisa Vaisa, Anupam Gupta explores the fascinating world of lab-grown diamonds with his guest, Dr. Preeti Jain, founder of Jewels by Preeti. Learn about the science and economics behind creating these sustainable gems and how they are revolutionizing the market. On Has It Aged Well, myself Abbas and my co-host Urjita are joined by comedian and writer Sumaira Sheikh to talk about the star-studded 1997 hit Ishq. We talk about the stark difference between the two halves of the film, the rich versus poor dynamics of 90s cinema, and the fantastic music composed by Anu Malik. Folks, if you like our shows, spread the word, tell your friends, and don't forget to rate and review them wherever you're listening to them. Follow us on social media. We are IVM Podcasts on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. You'll also find all our shows on YouTube by their show names, so do look out for them and have fun watching. And finally, we would like to thank our sponsor this week, IDFC First Bank.
Anupam and Mahima together here, and we become very
Pally.
informal. I've been, stop calling me uncle after some time. Yeah.
No, looking at your board shot and all.
Yeah.
I know, but you were
What's the
just
story?
okay. You just said a minute ago about how he's touch wood, just unstoppable.
Yeah.
From the time he started, I mean, the young people must be giving up somewhere along the way. Younger people, younger generation after generation. Anupam Kher is just unstoppable.
No, and he's just getting more faster, quicker. Like he's
Tireless.
garnered a lot of speed. Like everyone was asking me, what's the difference? You've known him for so long. And I've seen you on work.
Yeah.
I said, he's only getting faster at everything. You're quicker to decide. And even the director said, I was halfway through the narration and he said, I'm doing the film. So he takes quick decisions, like he'll shoot a video here, upload there, say yes to this, take a flight there, or to go do a play. Like how?
But
People slow
seeing him
down.
on the set, Mahima, you
His
must...
cup also says slow life, but
yeah,
he's
slow
getting
life.
faster.
Come on. Yeah.
What is it?
I think I'm thinking of an intelligent answer, but I think the real answer is that as you grow older in life and you reach a situation where you either like yourself or you don't like yourself.
You obviously love yourself.
I love myself. And when you love yourself, you discover there is not much time left to do what you want to do.
Wow.
And I love doing things. I'm a people's person. There's so much to
But
do.
if you don't mind, sir, मुझे लगता है ये गलत जवाब है. Now, let me explain.
ये मेरा जवाब है.
नहीं वो तो है.
अच्छा.
Because if you love yourself, you're a great person. Then Kim Jong-un loves himself. The North Korean dictator. There's no question he loves himself. He said सब लोग मेरे जैसा haircut. And the next day everyone had to cut their hair like that. So
मैंने इसीलिए कहा था कि मैं इंटेलिजेंट आंसर देने की कोशिश कर रहा था.
मैं
पर
हूं ना
आप
room में.
आपके शो में इंटेलिजेंट जरूरी नहीं है.
Exactly. Yeah.
That's not a qualification.
Switch off the intellectual button.
No. I love life. I think it's beautiful to be
But you
in
don't.
a situation.
I worked with you on a set. She's just completed a film. You're never tired. You're always in a good mood. You're a very balanced, sort of balanced human being. I've never seen you really lose it or anything.
Good food, good conversation, good film.
नहीं वो switch off करता है. Before the shot, you can be talking anything about where should we go, what we should do, whatever,
Yeah.
and then he switches on and he's bang on.
Yeah.
It's a little intimidating after some time. Everybody else is going line क्या था, mood क्या है, all that. He's just like button on, button off.
Yeah.
I think people who take themselves seriously are the most comical person. मैं सीरियसली अभी यहाँ बैठा हूँ. अब मैं आपने सायरस बरूचा मेरे से सवाल कर रहे हैं और मैं इनका जवाब देना चाहूँगा. It will be so stupid.
Yeah.
In your,
unentertaining.
inside your heart you'll say, when will this beep, when will this show finish?
Sir, we'll only keep that. पूरा रील वैसा ही है.
अच्छा.
I'm telling you, I can predict it. अनुपम जी शुद्ध हिंदी से. And now when they ask you, say now something to Anupam uncle, that word will be.
I think life is so beautiful. This chat is so therapeutic. This chat is so life enhancing.
Yeah.
That's what I love. We've not met for many years. But there are certain relationships which I always say that they're like a pause button. You just press the pause button, it starts from where it left. ऐसे कितने लोग हैं लाइफ में. और मैं ऐसा रहना चाहता हूँ.
Yes.
मैं चाहता हूँ कि लोग मुझे. My father used to say the easiest thing in the world is to make somebody happy. And that's what I do.
I do that by leaving. Generally. But I remember my mom or my wife, one of them was asking me, I sat the whole flight to Mauritius with Anupam. She said, I hope you didn't talk too much. I think it's my mom. So I said, Mom, I talk too much. Anupam doesn't stop talking. I was trying to sleep in the middle also. वो एक subject से दूसरे subject. He would have been a great VJ. If you grown up in another Zamana, he's a people person and he can talk about anything. He's one of those guys, he's like a radio channel.
No, but I admire both of you. I admire people who are VJs who can be. It's my hidden desire to be a VJ. I think रणवीर शोरी उसका और उसका शो आता था. तो मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगता था जिसमें लात उठा के मारते थे. आप तो खैर मतलब अनबिलीवेबल हो. है ना. और कैसे
लेट वो तारीफ जो थोड़ा लेट आ गया. I felt रणवीर
हम शो में आए वो अपने आप में तारीफ है ना.
True. So let's get back to our morning habits. You're saying do I exercise. So ये कहानी है. During pandemic they would not let me walk my dog also.
अच्छा.
Dogs. And we used to fight with the cops. They would say, building ke andar ja. So animals can't make their business inside by nature they want to go outside to do it. To cut a long story short, I found the only time I could do anything was 4 o'clock.
Morning.
So between 4 and 4, काम नहीं था. So between 4 and 4:30 I started walking them. The problem is, the moment it ended, my body clock shifted. और मैं दारू भी बंद किया, so I don't drink, so I don't have a night culture really. So I started getting up between 4 and 4:15 and walking my dogs. So now I do that, and then I go to the gym, and then by 7:30, 7:45, I'm ready to do anything, and nobody else is.
Wow, so you work out for at least 2 hours.
No, by the time I reach the gym, it's closer to 5:45. We're still 1 hour 15.
And
then breakfast.
And you are also particular about your diet?
First half of the day.
Yeah.
Up till now.
What have you eaten?
I've eaten 14 eggs, protein shake, 1 toast, cheese. That's it. Half a dosa, sada.
14 eggs. White of eggs or
full?
Full.
A white egg is not egg. What is this rubbish?
Yash Chopra ji also used to say.
Yeah.
तू अंडा खाना है ते येलो नाल की बकवास है. Now जाओ. He used to get very upset.
Yeah.
But this cholesterol thing has been proven to be false.
Yeah, completely busted.
It's unnecessarily, all these jokes have been wasted for 20 years by people across the world.
Yeah.
Feko. Egg white. Oh, egg white. What akuri or scrambled egg or whatever, egg white ke saath.
Oh my God, don't remind me of akuri.
Lovely, na? Well-made akuri with chili and everything.
Yeah.
Tomato.
Akuri is outstanding.
You had it Bhavan's?
By Zenobia Irani. It is the best akuri in the world. Yeah. Unless you can make a better one.
I don't think so.
Don't think so, but
Does Asha make?
Aisha can't even make my hair.
Again, you started with hair.
Aisha's...
But don't worry about that. Kiran can't even boil an egg.
Huh?
Yeah.
And how do we marry these women? What's going on here?
Yeah, because... Yeah, I mean,
Yeah.
यदि तुम किचन खाना अच्छा मिल जाएगा ना, क्या ज़रूरत है? मैं तड़प गया हूँ कि एक दिन मुझे वो चाय का प्याला कि मैंने आपके लिए अपने हाथ से चाय बनाई। ऐसा आज तक नहीं हुआ है। 39 साल हो गए शादी को, आज तक नहीं ऐसा। अनुपम, मैंने अपने हाथ से तुम्हारे लिए चाय बनाई है।
नहीं.
सवाल ही पैदा नहीं होता।
I didn't...
आप बना लेते हो खाना?
I
ये
learned.
suddenly sheepishly
I-
मुस्कुरा
I
रही
know,
है।
we are talking the
I
wrong
learned
thing.
cooking only after my child was born. Ariana was born.
Yeah.
Yeah, if we went anywhere and she ate something really well, I used to call the chef and I'd say, how did you make it? Make a video, go back home and replicate that. So I learned cooking
No, but
for
his
her.
question...
So I can make good baby
my,
food.
No, but my man's question is not that. It's not about whether you can cook. Do you... You know, the old-fashioned giving the husband things, making that morning chai, you know, there was a certain...
No.
Without being chauvinistic, there was a certain...
No.
You don't do that, no?
No.
Because my
But
wife...
I'm a good
को-
host. If you come, you'll get everything.
No, that's the guest, yaar.
No, I'll
Husband
get
को
up.
क्या मिलता है? Right,
Yeah.
sir? Am I saying the right thing?
हाँ, but
No, not the type.
no, not at all.
हाँ. So I've never experienced that wife love of the 70s or 80s.
माँ रहती है ना आपके साथ।
Huh, but that is there. Even now, I'll be on air anyway. I only ask my mom. I'm coming back from Bangalore late night Friday. Say, Mom, what's there for dinner? नहीं है तो ये बनाओ, ये करो. No, they're all done. I never even ask anyone else.
Yeah.
And one day, God forbid, I don't know what I'm going to do. किसको phone करेगा मैं? There's no option. There's no plan B. This is it. Unless I marry again. Rewind this to the Kodak film.
Yeah.
Yeah. Anyway, that's
Bad
modern
timing.
life. Huh. So let's talk about the other characters. So Mahima's character.
No, we didn't finish with his diet. What diet is he on?
Oh,
Why?
You were saying just now
by the
that
way, I'm no
on a
longer the
diet.
anchor.
You said I'm on a diet now. Why are you on a diet?
You're veg to begin with.
Oh, that's a crime. I know.
No, it's
No,
a great thing.
I'm
I want to be
vegetarian.
veg.
I eat eggs.
Morally, I want to be veg. I'm an animal lover.
I,
Anupam, Jay, you have to understand.
No, I think when I turned 69 years back, I decided...
69?
I'm 69 now.
When he turned 60,
9 years back.
9 years back.
Okay.
So I decided that I must look different to reinvent myself. And that's how I started walking and things like that. I forgot that I was walking on my legs. So I had a major meniscus. I don't know something it's called over here. One of my teachers, he used to teach like this. ऐसे in Hindi school. He used to teach like that. थोड़ी देर बाद उसका हाथ सो जाता था. Then he used to get frightened of his own hand. So I think आजकल you can keep on working because I want to work till I'm...
No, you were saying you started walking and all. Huh?
So that's what I'm saying, that I'm very inspired by Clint Eastwood. He's 94 and
My
still
God,
making
Yeah,
a
even
that's true.
I'm
That's true.
very
That's a great way to
inspired.
think.
Very.
जैसा आपने बताया perspective of
हाँ, तो
others.
मुझे लगा कि अभी when you reach 60-65 then you say कितने साल बाकी हैं, ये मन में दिमाग आता है, कुछ भी कर लो आप. Then you look for people who are 93 and still working,
Yeah.
and they are the biggest source of inspiration for you.
Yes.
So that happens, then you get into a diet, you get into the dietitians, you get onto all those things and you feel good about it. Like it was accidental with him, but I feel good about it. I feel good about that people still, people say actor अच्छा है, किताब भी लिखता है भी करता है, दिखता भी अच्छा है आजकल.
हाँ.
तो ये सुनने के लिए तो हम एक्टर बने हैं.
Yes.
So I think that's something.
But that's true. But I think deep down also in his case, he's just a lover of life. I think some
Yeah.
people just positive
Yeah.
energy. वो उसकी वजह से बहुत होता है. I've noticed people who are happy and positive in their.
And not that. I think the most thing is that he says, I don't take myself seriously.
Yeah.
There's no, उसने मुझे ये बोल दिया. He's like, he must be in a bad mood. चलो आगे. So he doesn't dwell on those.
Because 90% लोग अपने आप से इतने impressed हैं कि मैं अब जो कमरे में घुसा
That should be a show name. अपने आप से इतना impressed है.
हाँ, मैं अब 550 फिल्मों वाला कलाकार अंदर आ रहा हूँ.
Yeah.
मैं
They're hearing the
पद्मश्री-
clapping
हाँ,
before it
they're-
starts.
मैं-
Yeah.
और कोई भी ताली नहीं बजा रहा. So better to walk like this. There's this man scratching his beard and he's laughing, and the gentleman over here, the other person is saying, "I'm the producer of the show," etc.
None of them look like that.
Meet Tatu.
You all are famous stars, so they're little paying attention. When other people are there, sometimes they're not even looking up.
They're talking to each other.
They're talking to you on the phone, playing. Yeah, don't talk. Who
I know.
talks? The
So,
generation.
reminding me of this Clint Eastwood, उसका 93rd birthday था. Amazing story. तो उसका एक song writer दोस्त उसके पास आया था, तो he was 92. He said, "So next week is your birthday to Clint Eastwood, and so what are you doing?" He said, "I'm starting my new film." So he said, how do you do that? You're 93. He said, I don't let the old man in. I thought that was such a brilliant line. And that songwriter then wrote the song, I don't let the old man in, and he used it in that film called Mule.
But my dirty mind thinks it can also work for erotic film. Where
I don't let the old
old
man
male
in.
lover, young female lover. And he's...
And she's saying that I don't let the
Look
old
at
man
this face, yaar.
I don't let the old man in.
Leave it there. We don't need to.
हाँ उसका मीम इसका ही बनाना भाई.
We've got plenty. Don't worry. Okay, before we go into AMAs, the other characters in the film, Ranveer Shure is playing a...
He's playing whose son is in the hospital. And,
Acha.
and he's...
Similar situation.
A similar situation, and he one day just lets it out completely. And the beautiful sequence where this man, Arvind, his wife who is in coma or who is on the ventilator, he says, Ranveer Shure keeps saying, "Aap bhi bolo, aap bhi bolo." And when he leaves, this man, middle class
There's a
mentality, he says, "मैं इसके साथ नहीं था."
Like,
To be on the right
yeah.
side of the doctor. That
Yeah.
don't
Yeah.
like that. मैं
The
इसके साथ नहीं
Tamiz
था.
culture of the middle class guy who can't put a foot wrong.
Then
and
there
all
is
that.
Anu Kapoor. Anu Kapoor plays my friend. There is Neena Kulkarni. There is
Madhu, the Madhu character.
The Madhu
central.
character.
Manoj
then,
Joshi
then Manoj Joshi is there. Then there are
Oh,
younger
he's fantastic.
characters.
I've seen his plays in Delhi. I've seen a couple of his plays.
Yeah.
Very good. Huh?
The younger character who plays my daughter-in-law, I think Sneha Paul, and the son is there. So it's an interesting cast.
And what about this young lady?
She's the star. That's why she's sitting here.
I play his friend.
Yeah, she plays my friend.
An old friend
who
who-
we bump into each other after many years.
Yeah, during his this.
And both of us have our own issues. And for the time, because we are talking about the past, it's a nice sequence. over
Yeah,
there,
it's a nice sequence. It's like how we spoke about the past.
Ah.
Like things could have happened.
Yeah.
Now
So
you
even
see all
we
this.
talk about that,
No,
and he's
probably-
like,
she
yeah,
probably
now.
ignored me on
But
the shoot.
Yeah, he says the same
No.
thing.
No, she didn't ignore. She was very sweet, but
You England chale gaye aap, yaar.
Yeah.
it's not part of choice. There were things that were planned, yaar.
But you made a choice.
उस जमाने में 90s की बात है भाई. That time, whatever is planned, you everything is done by plan, no?
But Pathis still do that things by plan.
Yeah, 6 months in advance.
है ना?
Yeah.
Ah.
Just for the Monday, we plan for 6 months.
म्यूजिक
in
भी है
advance.
पिक्चर में. 2 गाने हैं. तलत अजीज के गाने हैं. वो अभी तक नहीं आए. बहुत अच्छे गाने हैं. Our writer Gajendra is a very good writer, and he writes like this. He writes poetry. That's poetry by him, and we shot in a real hospital, and a lot of people identified with it. We used to go for the shoot, and actual patients were going into the lift with us.
It was a living hospital. Working hospital.
Working hospital. Yeah. In Lucknow. Yeah. And Satish saw the film, and he told us, Satish Kaushik.
Yeah, he saw the film.
Yeah.
In the
Before.
trailer, he showed it
just
to him.
before the-
yeah, he liked it.
But
And he told the director कि अगर लोग ये भी बोले ना कि स्लो है तो इसको स्पीड अप मत करना. He told him that.
Yeah.
But this kind of film can never be slow in that sense. No?
Yeah.
But once you're inside the film, how will it be slow? The
No,
whole-
our scene.
Huh.
We have one scene,
Oh.
which is quite a lengthy
It's
scene.
a half an hour scene.
Yeah. So he told him that इनका जो scene है ना, मतलब it's जो speed है वही रखना. Don't get caught up with these people saying थोड़ा speed up कर दो. He said that.
Yeah.
I'm so happy he saw it.
Yes.
These youngsters with their hurry all the time.
Yeah.
Let the character be fleshed out
ये
properly.
शो में तो पॉज भी नहीं लेने देते हो यार.
कुछ नहीं.
हैं? बोलता ही जा रहा है.
Hellcuts, all of you all. Unbelievable. I hate young people.
Yeah.
I've never liked them when I was young also. Now I really don't like them. Yeah. Really. What do you feel about youth? I've
Yeah,
been
no.
saying take out the Y, put C.
They are no, they are more clear about everything. They're not like us. They don't change their minds so often.
Yeah. They may come across as irreverent, but they are very, very focused. Very, very true.
They're-
I think उनके साथ अगर आप उनकी लैंग्वेज में बात करो तो then they are your friends. It's the easiest thing in the world to be a cliche for them. For your children, you must be already a cliche.
I'm an ATM,
हाँ,
basically. yeah.
exactly.
That's my real job.
हाँ.
That's when everything happens.
GPay.
Dad, can I order something? Full sentence. नहीं तो why? Oh, move. एक शब्द. There's no full sentence conversation with kids.
No.
Unless they want something. Then I get a full sentence and I even get some tamiz and some pyar and all that. You know? Really. Your experiences may be different. I'm just telling you about my experience.
Her daughter is beautiful.
My daughter
How old
doesn't
is she?
ask for anything. She never asks for
She's
anything.
got good influences. What does she watch?
She thinks I don't have money.
So sweet.
Because when we were growing
That's the
up,
impression she had given him.
That's a
Yeah.
very good impression. I love. This reminds me of my own father.
She used to go to the shops, and if I picked up 2-3 things, and I said, "Which one do you like?" and I picked up 3 to pay. She used to go to the corner and cry, "Mom, I don't want." I said, "No, it's okay. We'll take 3." "No, I don't want. Mama, please don't take it." And it's be like 200 ka pen and some 300 ka some bunny. or
Wow,
something.
that's
She
amazing.
will not take it. And my friend was then, she's like, "Why is she crying? What does she want? I'll get it for." I said, "No, she's crying because I'm getting it. She thinks I'll finish the money."
Yeah.
She was like 6 years old and she was
How
crying in the corner.
How sweet.
How sensitive.
Yeah.
How
she was-
amazing.
Can we exchange your kid for some of our kids? Really?
That's such an amazing thing. It reminded me of a story that happened with me. So I used to go to this Dilkush Special School,
Yeah.
a school for mentally
Yeah.
challenged children. So there was this guy, small boy, Gaurav, I think his name was. And because I used to go once in a week, I used to take this pastries, samosa, patties and things like that. And he used to give it me dirty looks that he can't give me anything
How sweet.
in return.
Huh.
So teacher told me, I said, मैंने कहा ये गौरव खुश नहीं होता है कहते नहीं वो एक दिन बोल रहा था कि I can't give him anything. So one day I went and he looked at me and he had a very twinkling eyes and he said, after the class. So I gave them pastries after the class with great difficulty, with excitement. He put his hand in his pocket and he took out a toffee. He says, "This is for you, but don't eat it. It will finish."
How sweet.
So that toffee is still in my refrigerator.
How sweet.
Wow.
Yeah. These are the small little incidents which make you richer. I think this is a very unlike his show now. I think we should finish.
Yeah.
We've
Yeah, बहुत
exhausted-
sensitive है. But what's wrong with some
But
sensitivity?
we have exhausted ourselves.
No, 2 minutes, 2 minutes.
Huh?
We're going to do the AMAs. We'll finish fast. Don't worry. I'll just say one last thing, which is my dad. Similar story. When we were young, we used to go to see these movies. Britannia, ₹1 at Eros every Sunday. Britannia had this deal, $1 per ticket, and he used to wear a shirt with no pockets and pant with no pockets.
So that he didn't have to carry.
That was his whole thing. So I'd say, "Dad, can I get wafers?" Where? No pockets. Like it's the shirt's
My
fault.
My
father,
God.
that's amazing. My father, when I made it, and I used to send him money. He used to get his pension also, and then he used to have a conversation with me. He used to live in Shimla. Every conversation he will and say, "तो बिट्टू वो पैसे कब भेज रहे हो?" मैंने कहा, "पापा अभी भेजे तो थे." And I used to feel very bad that why does he end a conversation? I don't want my father to ask me for money. He has money. I send him money. Why does he ask? So I said, "Dad, if you next time ask me for money, I'm never going to send you money." So 1 or 2 times he was okay. Then he started saying a new sentence. He said, "बेटा वो जो मैं नहीं कह रहा हूँ वो सुन रहा है ना तू?"
Yeah. That's why they are our fathers.
Yeah, they
Whatever
are.
you do, they
रिश्ते में हमारे
remain.
बाप लगते हैं इसी वजह से. हाँ.
Makes sense, the phrase. Okay, here are quick AMAs. Dilip R says to Anupam, "You're probably one of the few actors who can be really called an Indian actor." What does that mean? Worked in almost all, that way. Worked in all major Indian movie industries. So how were you able to navigate through different industries, language barrier, culture barrier, different people get the performance right? to get the
Emotions are the
performance?
same worldwide. No? Even if you are working in a Chinese film, there are only 9 emotions.
Is it? Only 9?
Only 9.
Let's work on 10th.
10th is very difficult. You spoke about it earlier.
What is 10th?
So,
Tell me.
Which you do in solitude.
Orgasm?
Yeah, which you do.
Oh, orgasm is 10th. How is that an emotion?
That Nirvana.
The mother of all emotions.
Yeah.
Acha.
So I think it's the same thing. Whether you laugh the same way as a Chinese somewhere laughs or somebody else laughs, and you cry in the same manner. So I think it's as that. And when you don't have the fear of failure, then you can experiment anything. I don't have the fear.
But
of
you also
failure.
enjoy the newness of working with another culture
Yeah, I
and
think
another
every day
group.
सुबह निकल के काम पे जाना अपने में बहुत बड़ी उपलब्धि है. It's an achievement in this. You get up in the morning.
Yeah.
I own my all rubbish films equally with pride as my some amazing
Good,
work
the
that
great
I've
films.
done.
Huh?
Because
Which is the most rubbish film for you?
not rubbish. I should not because people spend money on it. But there was one film called Nigahein with Harmesh Malhotra, which was the part 2 of Nagina. नगीना वॉज ए वेरी
Huge.
सुपर डुपर हिट
Yeah.
है ना. तो उसका पार्ट 2 बना था हरमेश मल्होत्रा जी, जिसमें पार्ट 1 में मिस्टर अमरीश पुरी डाइड, सो पार्ट 2 में
You
they got
became
me,
the-
I
huh.
became. So I in my mind thought कि I will give
Kill
such a performance. I will give such a performance where people will forget that Amrish Puri had done the part 1.
Yeah.
So I put life into every scene. And 3 days before the film was to be released, Mr. Puran Chandra, who was the distributor, sent me a Blue Label bottle. What a performance, sir. And I had never had Blue Label in my life. So I said, in my dubbing, I used to think, कुछ ज़्यादा कर रहा हूँ मैं, क्या कर रहा हूँ. But Blue Label from distributor from South, it changed my perspective. So I got ambitious. So I called up Yash Chopra ji for the trial show 2 days before the release. Rekha ji, and I said, आप ये फिल्म देखो. तो आओ देखो. फिल्मालिया स्टूडियो में पिक्चर को दिखाया तो यश जी आए, पैम चोपड़ा, मैं, किरण was there. Kiran was holding my hand because somebody had sent me Blue Label कि तूने कमाल का काम किया. I mean, there 7-8 people were there. The first scene started. I said, थोड़ा ज़्यादा कर रहा हूँ मैं. तो second scene started. Kiran took her hand away from me and sat down on the other seat. Pam suddenly is saying loudly अपने हस्बैंड को, डार्लिंग मेरी तबीयत थोड़ी खराब हो रही है. And by 6th scene, I was hoping that maybe the operator will get a heart attack or a snake will come. This film should stop. And or Yash ji is yawning loudly. और कितनी हगी है फिल्म. So that was amazing experience of my life. Yeah.
525 films, Mahima.
I saw.
Was it some sort of record, yaar?
Now 542.
542 हो गया already.
But 25 तो ये थी ना.
Meter is running.
Yeah,
Every
man.
5 minutes, one is releasing.
Very
600 तक
nice.
तो पहुंच जाऊंगा.
Hemisha asks, Mahima, huge fan of, can I have a Lehar, can we say this? Lehar Pepsi? Ad with Amir and Aishwarya, any memories of it?
Yeah, obviously his first job, no? And
That was a huge ad.
yeah, huge ad, and it was made over. Michael J. Fox was the
Yes,
original.
yes.
And it was a remake. I was flabbergasted because this is the show I can talk about it. They flew me down from Delhi. Oh, I must tell you about the test. We were running around in my Masi's house, and one of she has all these photographers, painters, Khushwant Singh kind of a gang. So all the girls were there, and they said, who are these girls, young girls? We were all 16, 17, running around. She said, these are my nieces. They're here for vacation. He's saying, oh, send them. We're doing a test tomorrow for a good ad and all. Next day, everybody was sleeping. So only I went because I woke up because they kept calling 3-4 times that so-and-so has given your name. Are the girls coming? So I thought they were only waiting for me. When I reached there, it was full house. There were about 100, 200 girls with rollers. And this makeup that I'm wearing now, we didn't know this makeup, not the foundation and all. Not even plucked my eyebrows. So that was the
I'm
test.
straight, huh?
That was the test. Got through that test. And when I flew here to Bombay to do it, Prahlad Kakkar was the director.
Yeah.
So he'd be like, okay, shooting, you fucker! BC! DC!
DC क्या है?
I was like, so scared. You cunt!
Yeah, that's
You know
Prahlad.
who this is? I'll come and squash your balls!
That's
Oh,
Prahlad.
God!
Perfect.
So then you're like, Laddu Rani? He used to call me Laddu.
Wow.
For some reason. You can enter now. I was like, God, if I enter wrong, probably he'll call me also something. So that was my frightened state first day, second day. On Prahlad Kakkar's set to arrive from Darjeeling. You know, straight on where in a convent you're not allowed to say shut up and stupid. You know?
Yeah.
Was a culture shock. Really.
Yes. Lots of girls have gone
Yeah.
through that. वो set का language.
Yeah.
Oof.
But that's him.
Yeah. Oh, he's fabulous.
Yeah, fabulous. Fabulous. But
What
then
an-
I learned.
What an ad that was.
No, and he scandalized me. He's like, you meet a boy, first you live in with him, then marry him. I was like, he's teaching me all rubbish things. And I was telling my mother, sab bakwas he teaches, you know. But today I tell people the same thing. First you live in and then you get married. It's a good idea, isn't it? That time I was shocked.
It's like buying a car. You have to try the car, drive the car, then talk to the sales price, upar niche, aju baju, 19-20, all that has to happen.
You did all of that?
For the car. Unfortunately.
For the car.
Okay, we've run out of time. She's very upset. We'll get you all back again.
Yeah.
We haven't talked about your lives and careers also. We've just
Yeah.
spoken about The Signature on Z5, October 4th, correct?
Yes, absolutely.
Absolutely.
Please don't miss it. It's a
And
beautiful,
you too.
heartwarming. Yeah, my wife will watch it for sure. Then I'll watch like this because I'm always worried about how the end happens. What happens in the end? She's
No,
made
no.
me see many of
It's-
these
it's-
heart-wrenching films. So
Thank you. It was a pleasure talking
Kiran
to
will
you.
watch it in the end, no?
No.
Not at all.
She has gone through hospitals and all those things. and
It's too
she
close
doesn't-
to.
And yeah, but people should watch it because sometimes tragedy is cathartic. Sometimes you also need to cry. I think crying is very good. I cry it very easily.
I used to cry every day. Then we took the mirrors out of the house.
Oh,
That was very painful.
Nice solution.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now-
but
now
he
I-
and I, both of us are boobies.
yeah.
We are a tap.
Yeah. We
I
cry.
never use glycerine.
Yeah.
I hardly use glycerine.
That's
or-
it. As an actor,
They tell me cry, I cry. While saying the lines also, if I'm
Cry?
not supposed to cry, I cry.
can you cry now?
I can cry. I just cried just now.
Yeah.
When he told me the boy story that he
Yeah,
says,
even
don't have
I
it.
had a tear also.
It'll
The
finish.
toffee story, no?
Yeah.
Just want to say one last thing that I think the Bharat Ratna at some point should go to me.
And then to me.
And then to you also.
He already has so many Bharats.
Already got Bharat Ratna? Nahi.
No, he's
That
got
is the final
Padma
one.
Bhushan and
That the
Padma
Padmas
Shri.
must be 11, 12 by now, yaar.
No, I'm only one. I'm happy. Thank you so much. God
Thank you.
bless you. Thank you.
very
Thank you,
much.
everybody. Thank you.
Yes.